Why use a USB drive or upload files to Google Drive when in Windows 11 there is a hidden feature that let you share files wirelessly? So you can easily share your files among your phones, your another laptop or desktop without USB or any physical connection. So to do that, we need to go to the settings. I'll click on Start and then I'll go to Settings, and then we will go to System, which is the second option. And now we will click on this Nearby Sharing. Once you click on that, it gives you option share files, photos, and links with nearby Windows devices. So yes, it is for the Windows devices. So you can select my device or you can select everyone nearby. You can also select save files where I receive to. You can change the location and you can also change the discoverable name. All right, once you're done, you can simply come back here and simply click on turn off. So this is how you can share files online wirelessly from one computer to another. Please hit the like and subscribe if you find this tutorial short and helpful. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.